Digital marketers have never been attacked like this from all the sides. Writers are getting sleepless nights because of the AI content generators. Designers are not even spared because of AI tools like Dall-E. Then videos can be mass produced using deepfakes and AI. Then again, SEOs are worried because they will be losing their website traffic to the chatbots that will be integrated on search engines, and they are already losing their traffic right now. Then email marketers and outreach specialists, they have always been concerned about the ever changing algorithms of inboxes and emails, and of course the GDPR rules, the privacy rules, and all the rules that are applicable to the emails. Media buyers and advertisers already got this setback last year when Facebook and Google changed their algorithms and policies. So how will digital marketing look like in future? I feel three things will happen. First of all, digital marketing will be all about giving strategic decisions to grow your business. Second, digital marketing will be giving all accurate briefs to AI as well as human digital marketers so that all the campaigns will be successfully running and deliver good results. And third, I feel that digital marketing will be all about optimizing the quality of output and success of business. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section.